come here, come like you don't even have to buy, you just bring your money and come and shop because you don't even need nothing because they have mall like just like America. Big mall, you see me? Yeah man, so you see me? So you have to do your right thing, man.
Leverage. You understand what I go on this or no?
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
Well, good morning my beautiful people. You don't know it's your boy, Leverage Boss. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Always remember to subscribe. So today we're in DR, Santo Domingo, and we're gonna head out and see what's gonna. We don't really have nothing planned today. We're just gonna go out there and see what's there, explore the place, show you what it's look like and stuff. So right now I'm in the Airbnb, about to leave out right now. So yeah, so check out when we reach down, and this is the view for right now. And we're gonna go down there. Beautiful. So yeah, check out, we're gonna be back. Gonna head down right now, you know? Leverage. That is it.
Yes, I look at my partner, I look at this from the street. Hello?
Yeah guys, so we're here walking the street of Santo Domingo, isn't it? Yeah, see where I go on. Hold on, but I'll show you where I go. Where are we going? To the big blue mountain. Yeah man. Out here man, check out the streets man. Right now, not gonna lie, the building I put Jamaica to shame. Holy high-rise building in our city here. Take a stroll and look where it look like and see what we see, you know. Yeah? I look on the style. I'm put it out too much.
Oh, them people don't watch.
Hmm?
Them people watch.
Yes. I can't buy it, no man. Cooking.
And they'll flopsy brother. Where what if I find gate up still though?
Yeah, guys, everything gate up and everything. Yeah man. Damn.
What if a big deal in there after better? Man say he's a karaoke singer dog, and man say he's a karaoke singer, and I'm gonna sing and the people them and say, yo, you ready for this yet? Too much traffic out on the road there. Yeah, okay.
Be a traffic already. Yeah, one thing man, the people them are door dash and over up on the bike, them are frig. Over here, so.
That's how we're past here.
We out here. Right now, leverage nation, I know, probably try so we can get the consume. Just I walk the strip and make we see where I go on, you know? Yeah, enjoy the area. See what Santo Domingo look like. Be a taxi on bike and them sit there, man. Bike taxi. PhD.
Holy Baba, bro.
Yeah, man. Bike mania, watch it. Whole heap of bike central and lock off the street. Watch it over there, sir.
Man, weed it now, that man got ripped that too much a while ago, dog. And the girl, that man all the way care glass out there, so.
Yeah. So.
Oh, money, my friend. Oh,
yeah. What, juice?
No, I don't got nothing, Papa, nothing.
What got it? Huh? Respect. Man, them a work it.
Yeah, dog, I'll take it off a bench class.
And you see how the thing now go on, how it look. Buildings on top of buildings, bike on top of bikes. You have to just man here it down the man there. Nation is hectic, busy. They might do what they have to do, you know. Hummers, bikes again. let's see what we can find to eat. So yeah man, just check in and see where I go on, you know? Just a walk the strip, man.
Yo, place busy, yo, place busy, dog.
Oh yeah, I go. McDonald's. The gas station I look well developed. Come on now. Nah, tell a lie, the time hot though. Every nation. If you have one of them out there or something, man. If you have some farmer, head rest for your head. For them I eat ya. Woo! It's hot in here. For more buildings. Building on top of building. Oh, there, so. Yeah, got some old. I not even old, some chill spot. Watch your car, them boy. Yeah, forgot how you there. You get knocked down, you're not able to look for you.
Get that bike, brother. I say I'm going to move with the juice there.
Yeah, so I guess them say this I wanna sell chicken, McDonald's I sell chicken, so we're gonna look for the menu. You know?
Man, put that funny one, brother.
Nah, La Premiera. Look like I want squash or something like that. Yeah, house chicken. Oh, it's I said that attack. Buenas. Oh, I mean, okay. Huh? Right now.
Tired already.
Tired already, not gonna lie.
Go out, yeah, like.
See what this McDonald's about, you know? Yeah, man. So you know I go already. Check in, see where I go, you know? know we're gonna try some other cultural food later on or so, but no. Just get something quick because early and just want to get something quick and probably have to go drive or take something for this one. But right now, just a bit man. So you know leverage nation out here doing the right, you know? Yes, man. So right now we'll try out the chicken and a Mackie D's. Fry. You know it all remind me of mothers in Jamaica, the smell. Them not beef straw. Okay. No straw, then get a sit there cup beef soda. I come out that hit different all like that. We have thought Mcdonald's and chicken in Mcdonald's. All right. Yes, sir. Right now in a Migler road, the man bumper drop off. Watch out. Stick now I need catch, you know. That's something I need catch.
No, it's got the part that's on there, like the fork.
Watch out.
Watch out. I'm catching it.
A far tower, guys. That's the Airbnb. A far tower.
Yeah, look at it over on the other side, lick now, dog. I'm not used to, bro. I forgot about the other side, so. Yeah, they were thinking that that's up.
Leverage.
The dog said leverage the blood tree.
Mango tree. Yeah, guys.
You know the leverage.
Yeah, man. You know the leverage, man. We just don't left the We just don't left the McDonald's there, you know. Great liquor. Lunch vibe. We ain't plan for go there, but I guess I that we see them sell chicken, so just get the chicken and thing. So we're gonna see what's going on, what else we can show you doing there. Really, nothing really going on right now, but maybe later on, maybe we'll see what we can do. And full of vibes, you know? Alright. Man, I'm aggressive on the road, but a little sitting there, man. Search, the man is searching and carry man and can't sit there, you know? Yeah, man. So, that is it, man. We're going to show you how I go on. Oh, we're going to see what's going on. Some bad biker girl, eh? Yeah.
No, them said big mile 5 kilometers.
So we're going to check out something and see where I go on, you know? Alright, okay. So tickers there for who want tickers. Yeah, but just watch where I go on, you know. We don't know we have planned for the day, but we just a show now and I see where I go out there doing a day. Beautiful water. Night time this change color. Leverage. That's it. You can have a nice pool, man, nice area. Nice pool area, man. You know we go. Check it out. Alright, Leverage Nation, so we have a little treat for you right now. Reach Agora Mall in Santo Domingo, so we're going to show you how in the look. So let's go with me and see what the mall look like. Alright, let's go.
Salud. No pueden grabar.
Huh?
No pueden grabar ni fotos.
No photos?
No. Ni fotos ni videos.
Perfect.
Porque no permiten cámara, acá no permiten cámara para hacer ningún tipo de grabación. Hay que tener un permiso autorizado por la plaza para poder hacer cualquier tipo de actividad, trabajo, video, así.
Alright, Leverage Nation, so I see it look like we're not going to make it, so we can't record in this, so I guess. Hold on. Get a little shot, see you man. Leverage Nation with the mall, but apparently they say them have a rules of not videoing, so you don't know a thing go already. You will follow the rules and regulations, but you don't know, so we are yard pan safely, so we can give a little piece, but not too much. But it's like, you know, see, 3-story building and thing. How much story this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-story. All of that stuff, Ketchup, Bath and Body Works. You see me? So, if you come here, come like you don't even have to buy, you just bring your money and come and shop because you don't even need nothing because they have mall like just like America. Big mall, you see me? Yeah man, so. You see me? So you have to do your right thing, man. So yeah, that's that.
I'm going to park on the second floor.
We're not come up no stairs.
Yeah, second floor, first one, man. I'll come in from the second floor, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah? Take a stroll, man.
Yeah? Watch your boy there.
Yeah?
See my look up here. It's a great boy.
Yeah, we're outside Blue Mall right now. Blue Mall. Yeah, the first mall, I guess. We'll go. I guess you can't record in the mall. I'm not sure about this one, but just to be on the safe side, just avoid it and just, you know. Yeah, but it was a good day anyway. Blue Mall, you don't know Blue Mall, see me there, right there. Blue Mall. Big Mall. So we are going right there, so I'll say.
No, I'm not no cash.
No cash.
I'm fine.
Yeah, so.
Safe Scotia work, no?
No, the man I said Scotia, I have to go inside.
Inside.
And it locked, you know.
So I'm the ATM.
You're not getting cash right here. Oh, no, the place looks. See how the place look, yeah? Blue Mall. See there? Leverage. Yeah, man. Sure you want to go? One bag of bike, man, watch it. Let's see about that.
Now you get me in a troubling idea. My brother, I'm going to attack him and mash that piece of shit. I went to attack.
Okay. Oh, where I go?
Yeah, start it. Santo Domingo To. Fine like all the liquor. The Citibank there. Want to try Citibank? My ATM on it if it works.
So far? Yes.
So far that one here.
So this is a walk green and them on the turn. Right here, you know? Santo Domingo wild. Right now, dear bike money busy right through the road, them busy. Note yourself when you come here. Watch out. Too much traffic, too much bike and them something. Watch out. Man, them terrible part with the bike. Watch it. Watch it. Man, them terrible with the bike, their ass. Yep. Oh, that one race it.
That's a city bank or something there. That's a city bank.
All this man.
Yo,
We're out here waiting the same way, you know. Everything got no to catch. You know? Wait for it. And it's a city bank?
it's a tower, city bank tower. It's like, yeah. You see that? I don't even understand how leverage. You understand how I go on this or no? Very busy in Santo Domingo. Busy street. Very busy town, you know? So for everybody who want to come to Santo Domingo, trust me, traffic like crazy.
Right now, the man them have everything in a Santo Domingo for one. Papa John's. What that?
Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme. Burger King. Seaside.
Popeyes.
Popeyes. Everything they on that strip here right now, man. Can't go home. Nice, beautiful lady crossing the street.
Yo, she probably all I say.
Huh?
Oh, man, I say. One at a time, I still like she watch with dog, like, eh?
Yeah, I know what that's already.
One at a time, I still like she watch with dog, I say. Guys, I say bike then stop boy. Right, hold if a bike stop here so.
Bike stop right there.
The town busy.
I'll wait till it lock off.
Working, mama.
Yeah, so who don't know the money, Dominican money is a $2,000, $1,000. So still, that is it. That is it.
Man.
Well, that's it, folks. Nightlife in DR. Going in and I'm just gonna get some goodies, you know. See, I go on tiring day, but we out here. You know, leverage nation. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. Streets. You know, most on shortcut, most. No shortcut never there.
No, right, that's what I've done. But
You know. Also go back in that place there, you know. So this is the outside experience of DR. You see me? Yeah, man. In the streets, like the buildings, them. One thing, too much traffic, man. Bike boy them too much, and like I don't say bike man them make, yeah, so do the right thing, man, and we see you until next time, you know. I'm out.